All right, 2025 Honda Pilot. I don't know if I still have the video of me and the shop foreman taking this thing, and I was hanging off the hood to try to locate this noise because it's not a CV axle noise, because it makes like a clicking noise as you go full lock and you accelerate. It makes like a ting, 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 ting. So it's not the CV axle. We are thinking that it's the wheel bearing that's making this. It's like the ball bearings are rubbing against each other and it's like binding, and it's inside the hub. This is a hub and bearing assembly. So me and the shop foreman were just driving in our parking lot full lock, and I was hanging off the hood trying to hear where this noise is coming from. And from underneath the hood, I can hear it from like here. So it's got to be in this area. The only logical explanation where this noise is coming from, it has to be the wheel bearing, because it's not the CV axle. We tried putting a CV axle in it, and it's not the CV axle. It makes like a clicking noise like a CV axle, but it's not. But it's more metallic-y noise. It's kind of like, it kind of reminds me back when I was at Hyundai, and because they use a aluminum hub with a steel, aluminum knuckle with a steel hub, and it creates corrosion. It makes like this metallic clicking noise. It's hard to explain, but this is what we're doing. We're putting a new wheel bearing in it just to see if it makes the noise go away, because this is what the customer is complaining about, and it's not a CV axle. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this bracket, right? I already took the caliper off. There should be 4 bolts behind it. There's 4 bolts that holds the hub and bearing assembly, and you know, one screw that holds the rotor in, and it's pretty much it. So let me get this off, and then I want to confirm if this fixes the noise. Will the mid-torque take the nut off? Oh, it took it a while. Alright, so I did stuck grease on the back of it because it reminded me back in the day when I was at Hyundai, and it was on the like the hybrids, the EVs, like the Konas, Ioniqs, they always make this clicking noise, and it's like a really loud metallic clicking noise, and it was due to corrosion on the knuckle and then on the back side of this hub and bearing assembly, or like a really loud metallic clicking noise. And it was just the corrosion behind it, but this is not the case. So that was just me trying from experience of, you know, stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna put a new bearing in. This thing's gonna get 72 pound-feet of torque. Oh, there's one. Oh, by the way, those 2 boxes, they're other complaints for this vehicle. I'm not too sure what it is, but the shop foreman called it. I'm just replacing it. Road test, shop foreman. My wife was saying that because we went to the Midway today, and then they said the undersize.
Don't worry about it. They went and said, "Oh, my son's head's too small."
Yeah, head's too
right?
Yeah.
And we're like, seriously, right now?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Well, it looks smaller. Kids fucking 13 era was completely fine. Yeah. Fucking stressed us out for fucking nothing.
Like my wife now is like Oh, I think I should eat more then. I don't know if
Just
that's
eat,
gonna.
let her eat whatever
Yeah.
she wants. If she's starving and hungry, let her eat.
No, she's hungry all the time.
Yeah,
She
it just helps the baby.
yeah.
That's all
But
that
then
matters.
when she eats too much, she throws up.
Yeah, yeah.